Welcome back. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. We're going to go over ticker symbol Sndl, sundial growers. If you look at the daily chart, it looks like an inverted head and shoulders. Um, if you guys want access to the custom candles, the call outs, the buy and sell signals, the link for the Discord is in the comments. Please like, share, comment, join the Discord. You get all these indicators free. Daily call outs, swing call outs, all that kind of good stuff. So let's jump right into it. Here's a sundial on the daily chart. You can see it gapped up, leaving a gap right around to 74 cents. The next level of interest, I'm kind of bearish on it right now, honestly. I do have a position. I have calls about a year out, so 74 cents. I honestly feel like she's going to come back down to 74 cents and then find support here, and then she will start to climb again. She's obviously oversold. You can see it's white on our indicators. If it's oversold or overbought, sorry, it's overbought right now. The candles turn white, so it lets you know right away. So there's a gap to fill at 91 cents. She ran up. There's just heavy resistance around this level. If she could come back down to around 74 cents and make that support, then there's some nice upside potential. But with all the news coming out, I feel like she's going to run. It's 58 cents. There's a gap at 58.1 cents, so always keep that in mind. I always play the gap fill strategy, so 91% of gaps always get filled over the course of time. It might take a year, it might take 2 years, it might take a day, it might take 3 days, So you usually just look at the pattern, obviously, right here. She gapped up, and the next couple days she filled the gap. Right here, gap down, came back up to fill the gap within the next couple days. So it's gap down over a month's time. So with that being said, gaps get filled. That's just how it is. That's just how the stock market works. So there is a gap above. If she could make 74 cents support, then I see upside potential to around like 85, 83 cents, that area. And then there's huge resistance right around 89 cents. If she does come down and then find support here and go back up, when she fills this gap right here at 91 cents, she might come back down. But with all the news and that stuff, she does look like she's primed to run. There is also, let me see if there's any gaps up above. She did a pretty good job of filling all the gaps. So if she can make 81 cents support, which I don't feel like she will, she'll probably make 79 cents support and 78 cents support. I would love for it, honestly, on Monday to gap down and fill this gap right here and shoot back up. I don't count the wicks because the wicks don't fill the gap in my mind. They just don't. So if you could get it, if she comes down on Monday, which she already started pulling back in the after hours, I would look for support around 74 cents. If she could find support at 71 cents once she fills this gap, she might skyrocket. That's called the gap close reversal. That's the strategy I use. If she can't find support at 74 cents, she's going back down to 58 cents. There's no doubt about it in my mind. Then, if she fills the gap at 58 cents, then she will most likely have some upside potential. But with the news and all that stuff working in its favor, she can gap up. So right now I'm a little bit bearish on it to 74 cents. We'll see what happens around 74 cents. If she could Monday in the pre-market find support around this area at 81 cents, there's upside potential until she fills the gap at 91 cents. If she fills the gap at 91 cents and can make that support, she's going to rock it. If she can make the gap at 91 support, I feel like the next level of resistance is around like $1, and then $1.06, Sky's the limit on this stock. There is a gap up above at $1.94. So honestly, I'm looking for her to get up to $1.94, $2 range. I most likely would be looking to short CNDL, depending on the news and how things are trending, because that's just how I do it. If we let's go to the candles now. Let's go to the buy and sell signals now. The buy and sell signals, as you can see, she's under the buy. The buy and sell signals, guys, are really accurate. I have people in the Discord that have used them and made money overall. So, like I said, the bear on the sell on these guys are really good. So once this gets the sell signal, she most likely will dump off. And as you can see, when she runs for about a week and then drops down. She's already been in the buy signal for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. All these levels are key levels. The next key level is to the downside of 74 cents. And then there's the key level at the gap close reversal at 58 cents. There's also the key level right here at before the gap close at 89 cents. Because with the gap fill strategy, when it goes to fill the gap, there's huge resistance right here. Sometimes it don't fill the gap. Sometimes it goes up to the gap fill level and then dumps off and then comes back up later on in the weekend or the next day or hours later and then fills the gap. So you have to look at that level as well. So I'd say 90 cents and then when it fills the gap at 91 cents. All these are critical levels. If it makes 91 cents support, it's going to skyrocket. So that's all. Have a great weekend, guys. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. Have a good one.